to 1 p.m. Monday. In Schuylkill and York. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. Sunday to 1 p.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow likely. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 12 inches possible. Winds could gust as high as 40 miles per hour Sunday night and Monday. Where? A portion of central Pennsylvania. When? From 5 a.m. Sunday. Winter storm warning in effect. Winds could gust as high as 40 miles.
Oh, got Rocky. Rocky's coming in. Rocky. Let's hear you, Rock. Winter storm warning in effect. Right now. And I thought it was about to be it.
Here's a winter weather statement for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Schuylkill, and York. Winter storm warning in effect from 5 a.m. Sunday. Must go outside. Dress in layers. Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Winter storm watch in effect from late tonight.
Okay, over.
They're delaying all travel. Motor impacts. The strong winds and waves plunge your limbs, may down power lines, and could cause sporadic power outages. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Additional details. Uncertainty remains over how heavy snow bands will occur. Snow totals could be higher depending on these localized bands. Snowfall at times could exceed 1 inch per hour rates. Persons are urged to stay indoors until conditions improve. If you must go outside, dress in layers. Several layers of clothes will keep you warm enough to wear a heavy coat. Cover exposed skin to reduce your risk of frostbite or hypothermia. Gloves, a scarf, and a hat will keep you from losing your body heat. Persons should consider delaying all travel. Motorists should use extreme caution if travel is...
Okay, so that's it. Rocky's on. Okay.